Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for new ways to earn money online? In this video, I'll show you 8 different methods you can start using today, from freelancing to e-commerce, and even passive income streams. Stick around, because one of these methods might just change your financial future. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip on how to make money online. Today, we're going over 8 proven ways to make money online, whether you're a beginner or someone looking for a side hustle. Let's jump right into it. Method 1. Offering services. Let's kick things off with a classic, offering freelance services. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, or web development, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to connect with clients looking for those exact services. Set up your profile, showcase your portfolio, and start earning. Remember, your first few gigs might be small, but with good reviews, you'll build credibility quickly. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a following on social media, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative option. Simply promote products or services through affiliate links, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates and Share a Sale are great places to start. Pro tip: choose products that are relevant to your audience to build trust and increase conversions. Method 3. E-commerce. Starting an online store is another great way to earn money. Whether it's physical products on Etsy or Shopify or digital products like printables and courses, the potential is huge. You can even explore dropshipping, where you don't have to hold any inventory. Focus on building a strong brand and offering high-quality products that people need. Method 4. Content creation. Are you a natural storyteller, or do you have a passion you want to share with the world? Content creation on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogging can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key here is consistency and understanding your audience. Over time, you can build a loyal following that helps you turn your content into a profitable venture. Method 5. Online teaching. Online teaching is booming right now. If you have expertise in a certain field, why not create courses and offer them on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even your own website? People are always looking to learn new skills, and this can create a passive income stream as more students enroll in your course. Once the course is created, it can generate revenue without much ongoing work. New method 6. Print on demand. Print on demand, POD, is another fun and creative way to make money online. Platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful allow you to design products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. When a customer places an order, the platform handles the printing, shipping, and customer service, and you get a cut of the sale. It's a great way to earn money with minimal upfront investment. New method 7. Virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant, VA, is another great option. Many business owners and entrepreneurs need help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, social media, and data entry. If you're organized and have good communication skills, you can offer your services on platforms like Freelancer or even pitch directly to small businesses. The demand for VAs is growing rapidly, and it's a flexible way to earn a consistent income. New method 8. Selling stock photos. If you love photography, why not turn that passion into a source of income? Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow you to sell your photos as stock images. Once your photos are uploaded, you can earn royalties every time someone downloads one of your images. The more high-quality, versatile images you upload, the higher your potential earnings. And there you have it. 8 proven ways to make money online. Whether you're offering your skills as a freelancer, creating content, or exploring passive income streams like affiliate marketing or print on demand, the opportunities are endless. But remember, the key to success is taking action. Start small, be consistent, and keep learning. If you have any questions or if you've tried any of these methods yourself, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and help guide you through any challenges. Don't forget to subscribe now to the channel and turn on notifications for more tips on making money online, side hustles, and entrepreneurship. If you found value in this video, share it with friends or family who might benefit as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Which method will you try first? Subscribe now for more actionable ways to make money online.